Hello, good morning to all of you. Happy ATAL Tinkering Day. To celebrate this day, we are having some interesting activities today. So, you must have flown a paper glider or paper aeroplane in your childhood, isn't it? The same way we are going to do that activity, we are going to enjoy those days once again. So, today we are going to make a Chuk glider. Chuk glider, we are having this aerospace kit with us, and to make that Chuk glider, all the basic components are here with us. So you can see different components are here. So this is called fuel cells. This is the center body of the glider, and then we are having these wings. You can see here these wings will provide the lift to the glider. Then here comes this stabilizer. I'll tell you later how we'll fix it to the glider. So basically it stabilizes the movement of the glider, up and down movement of the glider. So it is the stabilizer. Then we are having this small thing called fin. This will provide the directional movement, directional stability to this glide. So these are some basic components. So you will get these components in this aerospace kit. Already I have unboxed it, but if you want to see a new kit, then you will see in this form. So all the basic informations are given inside this kit. All the things I have shown you can find here inside this kit. So let us start preparing this Chuk glider. Alright, so what we are going to do to prepare this Chuk glider? Just have these fuel cells with you. You can see. So we'll assemble all these given components to these fuel cells. This is actually the center part of the glider. So how can we use these components to these fuel cells? So first you pick these wings. Actually, when you make any glider or paper planes or engine gliders, so basically there are four forces acting to make the fly that particular body. What are those? One is thrust. When you give the thrust, when you force it to make it fly. Then the drag, when it opposes something like air opposes that thrust, that is drag. And one is gravity acting on that particular body which is flying. And then some lift movement. So center of gravity works on the glider, then lift force acting up, then the thrust, and then drag. So basically these four forces acts on this flying body, and it keeps in the air, it makes it glide, it makes it fly. So this is the basic principle. Let us see how we assemble all these components and make a glide. So here, as I have already told you, this is the fuel cells. Then you can fix these wings to these fuel cells in this manner. See here, these are the, actually there is one point given here, this one. I hope you are able to see it. So you have to stick these wings just on that mark. All right, so already it is marked, so I can stick these wings on these fuel cells in this manner. I hope you are able to see it. Alright, so this is the first thing, we have attached these wings to these fuel cells, alright, on the given mark. Then next comes this stabilizer. What is the functioning of this stabilizer? It keeps up and down movement of this glider in control. It stabilizes the flight. Alright, so here also once again one mark is given, you have to just fix this stabilizer on this given mark here, right, in this way. Then this is the fin, alright, this will provide the directional stability to this glider. So I have to just fix this fin on this stabilizer in this way. Alright, so this way. So this is the basic assembly of all these given components. Now you need hot glue or Fevicol or Fevikwik to fix all these components. After using the fixing material, you can see the glider in this form. I already worked upon it, and I have fixed all this component as I just told you. This is the stabilizer, this is the fin, these are the wings, and this is the fuel cells. Now you see some clay modeling material is attached to this. Why it is clay modeling material is used here? Because it is very necessary to give the flight to this glider, right? Because this way you keep the center of gravity to any given point here, just below these fins. All right, so this is the assembled glider. All right, now wings, stabilizer, fins are attached to fuel cells. Some material is attached on the nose of it, and one thing that is very important, you have to fix these wings on the given marks. So this way the center of gravity will remain, it must remain on just space given here below the wings. All right, so this is the glider, just like the paper aeroplane. So this is ready to fly now. All right, so what to do? Just we have to get the ground in the open space and give it a flight. Let us see what happens. Come, let us go to the ground and test.